Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started lying down on our belly. Make your way into a sphinx pose, bringing your hands to the top of your mat as you press through your forearms and your elbows. You're looking straight ahead. Your shoulder is right on top of the elbow, so it's a straight line, and you're breathing. Slowly drop your head back. And now bring your chin to your chest. Again, drop your head back. Chin to chest. And now bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Left ear to left shoulder. Again, right ear to right shoulder. Left ear to left shoulder. Lower your right cheek down onto the backs of your palms as you take some deep breaths.
But you can't just diss and come tell man sorry. You can't listen to me talk and go tell my story. It don't work like that when you're lost.
Let's come back to center as we set up for our Cobra. Closing the legs together, hands are by the ribs, and you slowly lift your chest a few inches off the mat as you look down. Maybe you even lift your hands, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Lower back down as you clasp your hands behind your low back for your locust pose. Lift your chest and your legs up this time, straightening the arms, looking down, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Lift up a little bit more, almost there, and relax. Bring your hands next to your ribs again, this time coming into your full Cobra expression. Opening the legs this time, pressing into the palms, lifting the chest. Now you can stay just like this, or you can drop your head back. And if you want to go a little bit deeper, you start to bend the legs. Maybe the toes touch the top of the head one day. Let's lower all the way down, bringing our left cheek to the backs of our palms. Let's come back to center as we open our arms out wide into a T position and we lift up. Lifting arms, lifting legs, looking up. And lower down. Right cheek to the backs of your palms. Begin to bend your legs. We're going into our bow pose. Close your knees together as you reach behind you, grabbing for the feet or the ankles. Kick into your palms so much that you start to lift the legs and you lift the upper body. Looking up, continuing to close the legs together. Maybe you come up a little bit more, 1 inch higher, and lower down. Take some windshield wipers with your legs side to side. Relax the legs, open your arms into a T position, and look over your left shoulder. So bring your right cheek to the mat. Slowly start to rotate your body so that you are facing the left, but your arms are still in that T position. Now, if you want to go a little bit deeper, you can step that left foot back behind you. And if you want to go even deeper, you reach behind you with that left arm, feeling a shoulder stretch. You slowly come out of this pose the same way that you got into it. And then whenever you're ready, you make your way to the other side. Remember to take your time. Let's make our way back onto our belly. Open your legs a little bit. Bring your hands close to your ribs, and we come into our full Cobra expression one more time. Sit your hips back on your heels for child's pose. Let's come into our tabletop position on hands and knees. Arching your back, looking up, you come into your cow pose. And you round your spine for cat pose, tucking your chin in towards your chest. And you take some more cat cows at your own pace. Come back into your neutral tabletop position as you reach your right arm up towards the ceiling. Begin to take some circles with your hand and your wrist. Let's reach our right arm behind us and down and back up. And then just reverse that circle, going to the front and down and back up. Thread the needle by sending your right arm behind your left wrist, lowering down on that right shoulder, and reach your left arm forward. Come back into your tabletop as you extend your left arm up, taking some circles with the hand. Take a big circle, reaching back behind you and down and up, and reverse that circle. And we thread the needle. Reach the right arm forward. Come back into your tabletop as you scoot the knees up a little bit, coming into a kneeling position. And we're going into our camel pose. Place your hands facing down on your low back. Press your hips forward and drop your head back. You can stay here or you can reach for your heels. Continuing to press the hips forward, arching the back. We come out the same way that we got into it. Have a seat on your heels as you take a deep breath. Close your knees together and let's go into our rabbit pose. Grab underneath your heels as you lower your upper body down towards the legs. Tuck your chin in towards your chest as you begin to lift your hips. Straightening the arms, the crown of the head is reaching for your mat, and you walk your knees up towards your forehead. So we're very compressed here. Slowly come out of this pose, just sitting on the heels. And let's place one hand on our heart and one hand on our belly. Take a deep breath, breathing in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.